Crash. Oh no, this dude's insane.
Wait, he has to reload. Wait, he's so controller. I think he's dead. Wait, see me, it's John Cena. Oh, I'm getting shot in the back.
Nigga, where'd you go, bro? Why you run away? You're so bad, nigga.
You better watch out. Oh shit! Boom! I want you in my room. Oh, yo, he wants to smoke. No! Get me out! Oh my god, he's Timothy the Third, bro. Holy.
Nigga, where'd you go, bro? Why you run away? You're so bad, nigga. What's your twist, bro? You're so fucking bad. You better not be loud.
Why is this Mexican symbol, bro? I guarantee that's what he is. Your ass, not my problem, bro. Not my problem, bro. You're the one in my chat, bro. You're not good at the game. How do I tell you? It is no way, bro. This is the kid saying nah. This is the kid saying the N-word.
Nigga, where'd you go, bro? Why you run away? You're so bad, nigga.
I just knew by his voice, bro. That's funny, bro. I just knew by his voice. I knew it, bro. You're actually a troll, bro. Bro. I just knew it, bro. Stop saying the N-word, buddy. You ain't no nigga, man.
I don't know. I'm tired.
Get better at the game. You call me a bum. You're in my chat right now, bro. What does that make you? Bro's mad he couldn't handle his one, so he's bitching in my chat, bro. That's insane. You had 7 kills. Good for you, bro. Is that your kill record, bro? Alright, we're going. You run it back. Like go beef with the guys who killed you if that's your problem, bro. Go beef with the guys that shit on you.
Well, I got my Immortal 1 back, not my Immortal 2. I got Immortal 1 back.
Bro, I'm not gonna get anything.
After being
Everybody and their mom.
at 40 RR.
Go on. Oh, this. Bro, I was just not even. Yeah, I'm trolling. I'm actually trolling. Yeah, I'm trolling. I'm trolling.
I'm gonna say games are easy, but can we just have a cipher in your team? Or like if you have a good sentinel.
Man, do I
Bro,
go
if we
for
have a
this?
sentinel on our team,
Oh shit.
fucking dominate.
Bro,
We have to
build.
literally play every single fight, every single fucking everything.
Yeah, you're horrible. You're actually horrible, bro. You're horrible. Get out of my damn lobby, bro. You're so bad at the game. That's crazy.
And I'm talking about a good sentinel, not
Bro really nah. Bro really thought he had me like that.
Ready, Brizo?
Good Brizo. Brizo, baby. Crash.
Oh!
Oh no, this dude's insane. I just got 200.
OG.
What? I just got 200.
Ag had him 1 HP. You gotta hit 1 bullet, bro, literally.
I got 200. What do you want me to do, bro? I'm not Jesus Christ, bro.
Yeah, but he turned around and everything, bro. He's literally
He just turned on me and one pumped me, bro.
I said, calm.
Wait, he has to reload. Wait, he's so controller. Look at him. Wait, I think he's dead. Wait, see me, it's John Cena. Oh, I'm getting shot in the back too. Wait, I think they're both dead.
Dog water.
That's what I'm saying.
I wish.
Oh, y'all going to an old person place, bro. This is gonna be bland food.
Yeah.
Since grandpas and grandmas taste buds be cooked a lot of the time. The mileage on the taste buds does that. Fuck the ice bucket, bro. Just do a split, bro.
Fuck an ice bucket challenge, bro. You gotta do a split in honor for your music for like DIY. Yo, like,
I got the
this
slap, bro. I got the slap.
Building? Yeah, I'm jigging the slap, cause like, how's it not a gun in this entire building, bro?
I'm getting less right now, bro. Like I said, the RNG is not going your way. I'm off the slap. It's about to get wicked.
But it's funny. That was funny.
Bro, these kids are
Bro's just
kids.
jumping in. Oh, they're. I know I got.
Bro. I swear I just want to bring that.
Yo, how do I miss
They look
that?
for my finish. They look
Bro,
for my
this Benji skin is getting on my nerves, bro. He's so
bro,
slippery.
I got sidetracked.
Jumping in.
Oh, he's in there, he's in there.
Just jumping in.
Yes, kill him. Console, we're playing like console kids, they're comfy.
Yo, he's actually so lucky. How is he not getting hit there?
Good stuff, boys.
Isn't this or something?
How much is your PC?
600. I feel like
Yeah,
3 years ago. What do you mean? That is actually horrible for a PC, bro. That is.
I know, but it's like sometimes get on my head, bro.
And it was my own money too,
That's rough.
because it's years of saving birthday money. Oh, that dude's whited.
Shoot, Melmo!
Dude, why did I think we were playing with CJ?
Bro, but this guy pushes me with a shotgun and he's lagging in place. I got one.
When the going gets tough, get going. Wasn't giving. Wait, no way they followed me. Y'all are trolls. Y'all are trolls. Is he alone? Never mind. They have hammers. Like, bro, I don't know you, bro. I legit don't know you. I'm sorry, bro. Not another Travis, bro. Not another Travis.
Don't die to Travis again. Don't die to Travis again.
Bro, it's doing no damage. Holy. Travis! Travis on the backwood!
Travis got packed after he killed all those people.
He thought it was sweet. Travis!
He thought he was never going.
It's lit! Straight up! Please! Let's go! I'm diffy! I'm diffy, bro. I'm actually diffy, bro.
Back splits, baby boy.
W faction. Oh, we just need. I just need 50. How much you? Wait, how many points you at? They're rebooting, bro.
Yeah. I don't want to see this episode. Nah, it's taking way too long, bro.
Oh, you jumped in.
Oh.
Where'd you do in the air? Over here, over here. 25 white. I'm hammering. Come here. Right this instant, young man. You can't run from me. This ain't what you want. Bro's just crouched in the corner.
I'm dying. Help me.
You not have a third. Cause I woke up feeling dangerous, bro. Crack. Oh, okay. I was about to say I didn't crack it.
Oh my god, 24, he's whited.
He's full Caucasian.
Nope.
Come here. Cracked. Dead. Wait, I started playing that kid too. Bro, we're just getting the same people. Oh my god. Yo, he's him. Bro, I just shot at you. I thought because all I saw was pink. Wait, is that their third?
I don't know. No, down.
Wait, chill.
That's one more.
Jesus, bro. The console, please. Yo, who has the Excalibur? On me. Bro, I'm about to drop, bro.
Wow.
Never mind. What even happened?
I don't know.
When
I got this done. Let's go. They 0-1.
When the going gets tough, bro. Wait, no way they're still sniffing out for me.
How much points you have?
I'm at 3.05. So you got it, right?
Yep.
Let's go.
We made it out this slum.
Oh, we're in the suburbs now. Bro, I don't even give a damn, bro. I have a hammer. I can get out. You're probably gonna get beamed out the air, though. Gotta get out. Yo, they're on runs. I'm going to my mark.
Oh my god.
Waiting. Yo, what's good, Kush, bro? I was just asking where you were at earlier, too. Big Kush, bro. I thought they were low. Wait, stop shooting.
Excalibur!
Oh, I almost did I get stuck? I almost got stuck. Holy, almost got stuck with it. Bro, I'm running out of mats too. Can you double box up to me? Wait, what did you?
Bro, I'm ahead, bro.
Oh, I got a knock. Let's go. I need that siphon. I need it expeditiously, bro. Oh my god, it's legit. Is that actually the Black Panther?
No!
Oh no.
I got the kill.
Nice.
Bro, these all up to you, bro. Oh my god, it's
Oh.
Is somebody up here or something? I don't know, Moji. Please with this bro.
I'll take it. I will try my best.
Wait.
Oh, it's a 1v2. Damn.
You got this, Moji.
Do not hammer me, bro.
Yup. Oh my god. Do that again, bro. You gotta hammer all the way up the height so much.
Why did it send me out?
I don't know, bro.
Bro, I wish this was a 1v1 right now. Damn. Damn, did I connect? I have no mats.
Come on, bro. You got this.
I have no mats.
It doesn't matter, bro. You're a no-build goat.
God, I am. Why is it? I don't know how to use this thing, bro.
No-build goat. These guys look like Ag in the shop when he launched.
Ag, you're saucy.
It fires so slow, bro.
Moji, for the clutch. Moji, for the clutch. Put it in me.
Let's go.
That was fire, bro.
I'm erected.
You're erected, bro. Same.